Hey guys, Lightning here, back in the video. And I know I've been missing for a long time. Let's just get over that and start again. I should have plenty of time to record now. I have gone through a lot of stuff in a short amount of time. Been away from my computer and then been busy with testing and all kinds of stuff. So, that aside, let's begin the video. So, I had a birthday. And one of the things I really wanted for a long time was a set of Prismacolors. So for my birthday, I got my first pack of Prismacolor pencils. Yay! And I've been waiting a long time to open it because I wanted to open it with you guys. So, here they are, my magical Prismacolors, and my light is being a butt, and is in the way. There we go. It's not reflecting in it now. So, I got the 132 pack, so it's a giant tin of Prismacolor goodness. Now, I want to say why I chose the 132 pack rather than a 72 pack. And I'm slightly disappointed in the way that Prismacolor packages their pencils, because whereas I love Copic markers, the Copic markers have a system where there are 5 72 packs that do not overlap. So basically you can get one 72 pack, and then if you want to get more, you can get a different 72 pack. Prismacolors only have one pack in each size, so if you get the 72 pack, after that you pretty much have to get them individually. And getting them individually is a whole lot more expensive than getting them in a giant pack. So I asked for the 130 pack from my parents, because my parents love me. And so I decided to, rather than pay, what was it, like $40 for the 72 pack, I got the 132 pack for like 80. Or no, it was less than that. It was like 60 something. So 72 additional pencils for like $20 difference. That seemed a little weird. So that's why I decided to start with a larger pack and not have to get more, basically. So let's get into it. I want to open it. And beware, I will struggle with the packaging because I am just like that. But I want to open it with my hand because I don't want to cheat and use scissors. Because scissors is cheating. I think. I might need scissors. I don't have my scissors here at the table. I got a corner! Ugh. Yay! Now, I have used Prismacolor pencils before, hence I know I love them, hence I know I will use 132 of them. I took a class, and my teacher had one of the 72 packs, and I was constantly at a lack of the color I needed, so that's another reason I decided to get a 132 pack. I love these things. They're always a giant space, but why are they out of order? Why is this a thing? They're gonna need to be organized anyway, so I'm not too worried about them being out of order. Oh my gosh, why are they, like, totally have 0% of order? This is not gonna work. It's gonna annoy me to no end. Well, I know what I'm doing today. I'm reorganizing them so they're all in color order, because I like color order. And this is gonna bother me if they're not in color order. Yep, that's just gonna bother me. Well, don't have time to do that right now, but we'll just like slowly organize them. So all of them look so pretty. So obviously I've got a bunch of browns, a lot of blues, which is good because I use a lot of blues. Some pinks. Again, they're naturally like this. They're naturally out of order. This is just going to bother me so much if I keep using them like this. Well, first things first, we're organizing the pencils. Well, at least before I use them, I'm going to organize them. Because I can't take when they're not in order. At, like, any order. Yeah, they're not even, like, the fun thing about Prismacolors is they have these little numbers. I don't know if you can see the little number. But they have these little numbers. And these pencils are in 0 order. They're not even numerically organized. They're not color organized, they're not numerically organized. There is no organization. It's annoying me. I am a little OCD about that. Especially with colors and such and art supplies, I am OCD. But like, not entirely OCD. So, more colors and more colors. But yeah, those are going to need to be organized before I can do anything with them. Because I can't take them being out of order. And I like knowing that I have this dark blue. I want a blue that is X number of shades lighter than this dark blue. And I can't see that here. So, yay. I know what I'm doing today. It's fun, trust me. I love organizing. So, that's not an issue to me. But yeah, so there's my Prismacolors. I love them. I can't wait to start using them. I also got some journals to do them in. What I like is the smooth paper, because the smoother the paper is, the easier it picks up like pencil colors. Rough paper makes it really hard to do pencils. But yeah, so I also got a drawing sketchbook. This is a dot journal. This one's more for my bullet journal stuff, though. Oh, that's not dots. There's the dots. See the little tiny dots. But yeah, that one's for bullet journaling and more bullet journaling on my channel. So, yay! That was great. This is the greatest thing I've ever had for my birthday. Yeah. So I can't wait to start using them. But yeah. I'm gonna struggle to put them back in the container every time, because that's just how I do. But I think I'm gonna put like erasers and stuff in here. Like I have kneaded erasers, and do I have other blending stumps? I didn't see if it came with one of the blending pencils. Might need to get one of those. I love this selection of grays, and I know that they're out of order, but I know there's probably some in other containers. So, but this selection of grays is really nice, because I find that I use grays a lot. I don't think it came with a blending pencil. Also, I don't see a white, so I'm gonna check through and make sure I'm not missing like a white blending pencil, because I don't know if that came in this set. But if not, I need to know that I need to get those, because I might be going out today. Oh yeah, there's some more grays. I love grays. Grays are important. I have like entire sets of gray markers. I like got a gray pack of markers because like I use grays that much. And, like, that's probably my most used Copics. Those are the first ones I replaced. Yeah, I have white, black. Does not seem to have a blending pencil, so I might get one of those. But I didn't really use it much when I was at when I did art at the studio where I was doing art at. So I may not need one of those, but yeah. So really excited. Can't wait to start using them. I meant to grab my art that I've done with them before. I think it's in this box. I just want to show you what kind of art I do with it. And I think it's in this bag. I'm just going to pull this out. I think it should be in this bag right next to me, but... So basically I like to do it on the toned tan paper. This is paper I already had, but I don't know if I have any of mine. These are, spoiler alert, I want to do these on camera at some point. I was waiting for my Christmas to do that though. But I thought I had. Oh, there they are. So these are some examples of things I have done with Prismacolors. So this one is designed to be, well, technically it was originally going to be like the entire thing was the reflection, but I decided to do it this way instead, so it's just a little reflection, because I was tired of smearing it there. I was like, I don't think so. But yeah, that one's just like a rain. And the next one is kind of a trilogy. So it's like this baby dragon. And this is all done in Prismacolor. I draw it first, and then I do it in Prismacolor. So there's that one. This is like the teenage dragon. The shadows on this one turned out really nicely. I like how the coloration worked. But I love to work in blues, which is why I needed a lot of blues. And then this is like an elderly dragon, like once defeated. Obviously he's bleeding. So, and again, I love the detail that you can get with Prismacolor pencils. So, that's what I got for my birthday. And I love them. I can't wait to use them. So, that's it. So, hope you enjoyed seeing the unboxing of the new set of Prismacolors and the appeal that of new videos to come. So, kind of stay tuned. More videos using Prismacolors to come. And yeah, so that was a lot of fun. I just want to share that a special moment of opening my Prismacolors with you. And hope you have a nice day. And enjoy. Catch you back later. Bye.